Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 4 linear equations in two variables example 3. The question is find four different solutions of the equation x plus 2y which is equal to 6. So different solution means for linear equation with the two variable we will have many solutions. Out of the many solutions they are asking to find only four solutions, right? So generally we will have infinite solution for the two variable with the linear equation, but here they are asking only out of the infinite solutions we need to find out only four different solutions. So what we are saying means, for example, when we consider as a simple equation x plus y which is equal to 5. Okay, so what are all the different combination of x and y? So x may be 1. So if x is 1, what value I have to substitute for y such that the value it is right hand side it is equal to 5. So let me consider y is equal to 5. So what happened, 1 plus 5 it is equal to 6, right? So this value is different, so this will not come. So what value I have to substitute for y? Definitely I have to substitute for y which is equal to 4, so that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So 5 is equal to 5. So similarly, whether it is only one solution for this equation, whether x is equal to 1 always, y equal to 4 always, it is not so. X is equal to 0 also I can take, right? So that 0 plus 5 will be equal to 5. Like this also I can consider. So I can have different values for x, corresponding to the x I will get a different values for y. So when both these equations, both the values will satisfy the right hand side, then I can say it is a solution, meaning that left hand side it is equal to right hand side. Whenever I get left hand side it is equal to right hand side, then I can say that it is a solution. Okay, so in that manner for this equation I need to find out four different solution. Okay, so here I have given only determined two solutions only. It is not that each and every equation is having only two solution. Every equation can have infinite number of solution, that you have to understand at this point. So out of infinite solution they are asking only four solution. Okay, so this is the equation where I have x plus 2y which is equal to 6. Okay, so let me consider any one variable in the left hand side and other values let me move to the right hand side. Okay, so for example, if I am going to substitute x values, okay, and going to find out y, let me keep y alone in the left hand side, other values let me take to the right hand side. So here let me keep y variable, so 2y which is equal to 6. So here before x I don't have any symbol, meaning that it is plus x. Plus x, when it go to the right hand side it becomes what? Minus x, 6 minus x. And then I am going to find out what is y while substituting x. So how I can write this equation? 6 minus x, this 2 into y, right? Whenever you don't have any value here, any symbol here, meaning that it is 2 into y. So since it is 2 into y, when it goes to the right hand side, how it becomes? It will become divided by 2. Okay, so this is my y. So y is equal to 6 minus x by 2. Okay, so now what I am going to do? I have to find out different solutions. Okay, so let me take four different values of x and find out four different values of y, and in combination x and y it is going to be the solution of the particular equation. So let me take x equal to 0. Okay, so let x equal to 0. So what will be the value of this? So 6 minus x equal to 0 means 0 divided by 2. So 6 minus 0 it is what? 6. 6 by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 3 by 1 is what? 3. So x equal to 0, y is equal to 3. So what is the solution? First solution 0 comma 3 is the solution. Okay, so 0 comma 3 is the solution of the equation. Okay, it is the one solution. So similarly I have to find out four different solutions. So one solution I have determined, so three more different solutions I have to find out. So let me find out the second solution. So what is the second solution? Let me consider any value for x. Okay, so let me consider x equal to 1. So what is y? Y is 6 minus x by 2. So 6 minus x value is what? 1. 1 by 2. So y value it is what? Just 5 by 2. Okay. So what is another solution? 1 comma 5 by 2 is the solution of the equation. Okay, is the solution. So similarly, let me find out the third solution. Let x equal to 2. It is not necessary you have to take in continuous manner. You can take any value for x. So y is equal to what? 6 minus x by 2. So 6 minus 2 by 2. 6 minus 2 is what? 4. 4 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 2 by 1 is what? 2. So what is the x? X value is 2, y value is what? 2. So always this value, okay, so this value is nothing but a x, this value is what? A y. So this value is x, this value is y. So always I have to write x first followed by y. Okay, so that you have to properly insist. So 2 by 2 again it is a solution. So similarly, what is the another value? Let me take x is equal to 3. Okay, so and again it is not necessary I have to take always positive value. I can take negative value also. Minus 1 also I can take, minus 2 also I can take, and bigger number 5, 10 like that also I can take. Okay, so according to your wish you can take, so that it is having infinite number of solution. I am going to write only out of that 4 solutions only. Okay, so again 6 minus x by 2. So 6 minus what is x? It is 3. So 6 minus 3 it is what? 3. Okay, so 3 by 2. So what is the solution? When I substitute x equal to 3, y I am getting 3 by 2. So 3 comma 3 by 2 is the solution. Okay, so totally 4 solutions are there. One is 0 by 0 comma 3, another one is 1 comma 5 by 2, another one is 2 comma 2, another one is 3 comma 3 by 2. So these are all the 4 solutions of the given equation. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.